Hi friends, I am Ajay. Welcome to new Laravel 9 tutorial series. In this series, we will learn Laravel from scratch, step by step. So in this first tutorial, we will learn what is Laravel. As per the Laravel official documentation, Laravel is a web application framework with expressive, elegant syntax. A web framework provides a structure and a starting point for creating your application, allow you to focus on creating something amazing. This is the official definition from the Laravel documentation. But in simpler way, Laravel is a PHP framework and it follows MVC pattern. Laravel is a progressive framework, means dependency injection, unit testing, and most more advanced tools are available for an experienced developers. Laravel is a scalable framework. Means there it means there are the options to scale your application to make more faster. There is an option to enable caching like Redis. And third one is if you are going to learn some technologies, there must be a community support. Suppose you hang up on some point in the programming or in your coding or you are debugging your application. So Laravel has a great community. You can find the help from internet, YouTube, all over the internet. So and Laravel uses the third-party packages also. There are several developers who writes the packages, and Laravel used it. So most important thing arise in your mind. Why should we learn Laravel? So I will try to best to explain the important features of Laravel. This is not possible to explain each and every every features of the Laravel, but the most important things we will discuss here. The first one is Artisan command. Laravel has inbuilt system to run some commands to generate some templates. Suppose you want to create view, controller, models, factories. It might be sounding unfamiliar at the beginning of the Laravel, but these are the most important pillars of the Laravel, and we will learn as the course progresses. And the second one is the authentication system. If you have ever created any web application which have the login system, so you will be familiar that how difficult it is to create authentication system, login, register, forget password, reset, enabling and disabling users in core PHP means writing every pieces of code from the scratch. So it is a very tedious task. And so but in Laravel provides a very cleaner way to authenticate your users in your system, and there are very secure. This is the very secure. You can protect your routes and unauthenticated users. Okay, so Laravel authentication is very good, and it will reduce your effort to create an authentication system, an authorization system. Okay, so we have covered two things. Artisan. Artisan is a Artisan is a great tool to create some commands, to create some templates using command line. Authentication system. Authentication. Laravel has inbuilt authentication system. You can create the whole system by running two or three commands. Okay. And third one is the innovative template engine. What is template engine? Laravel use Blade template engine. In traditional way, in PHP, you have if you have some experience in PHP programming, so it might be in some cases you have used PHP syntax in HTML and switching from HTML to PHP, PHP to HTML. So your code readability will be very less. So Laravel has its own templating engine. By using that, your code will be much readable, and there are some helper functions which can be directly used in the blade also. Okay, and next one is the ORM. So what does it mean, ORM? ORM stands for Object Relational Mapping. In traditional programming or procedural programming, we use MySQLi or PDO to interact with database. We have to create our connection, we have to write our SQL query and then execute it. And in the more complex systems, we have to write to complex queries like inner join, outer join. Okay, but ORM provides a cleaner way to interact your model with your database. Okay, this is ORM provides an object-oriented way to interact with database, and we will further discuss as we progress in the course. MVC architecture, as previously I have briefed, MVC stands for Model View Controller. By using MVC, we follow the concept of concern of separation, means we are separating our models which are mostly used to interact with the database, our views which is the which will be shows on the front end, and controllers where we implement our business logics. Okay, third one is the secure migration. Laravel supports MySQL, Postgre, MongoDB, several databases. Means migration is a way to create your database tables. If you create your database table using the migration, or simply if you have done your migration, then by just changing your database connection and some settings, you can produce tables in Postgre, MySQL, SQL Server, or supported on database from the Laravel. Unique unit testing. For the larger application, Laravel has its inbuilt system for unit testing. The security. Laravel systems are very secure. We by using the middlewares, you will learn what is the middlewares and other things. Libraries and modelers. Laravel uses the Composer package to for dependency manager, and it uses different packages. Suppose if you want to use the PHP graphic driver, then there is a tool like intervention. You can edit, resize your images, and there are several other libraries Laravel provides to directly use in your project. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.